Have you ever wondered where colors come from? Like, what if this green came from the earwax of a monster? And could this black have come from the gunk under some guy's nails? But I'm getting carried away. A lot of colors that we see in the world today are actually synthetic, meaning they're made by humans rather than being found in nature. You can find synthetic colors in all sorts of everyday things, like markers. In this activity, you'll learn a trick to help see exactly how these colors are made. You'll need a black washable marker, a coffee filter, water, a see-through cup, and pipe cleaners. First, pour a bit of water in the clear cup. Draw a thick black circle around the center of the coffee filter. Then fold the coffee filter in half. Fold that in half, and then one more time. Put the tip of the filter into the water, but make sure not to get the black circle wet. Is monster earwax emerging? How about fingernail gunk? No. But when you open the filter back up, you'll see all sorts of different colors. These colors are actually mixed together to create black. Here, the colors separated because they traveled up the coffee filter at different speeds. When your experiment dries, you can turn your coffee filter into a color monster using pipe cleaners and tape. Use the colorful shapes as an outline to find your creature's face and draw it with a black marker. You can even make a little pet for your monster. Voila!